Hello, it is Carol from Lily Rose Blue with Amber, Astrid, Arnold, and the triplets are here. Asa, Adam, and Angel. They're supposed to stay in their washi tape safe zone, but you know, you've seen them run away. Here's a quick big picture look of this stash. I am going to be putting this in the Maker's Market. So I wanted to give, picture doesn't do it justice. So I wanted to show you what it is, and then I will post it in the Maker's Market. So this is a bunch of different, and of course there's a piece here that, so this was like a banner or something that somebody made. Look at the beautiful trims and fabrics that were used. Just the feel of some of this material is just incredible. Look at this. Look at all of this. There's some more cotton, some lace. It's all tied. So that's kind of the fabric that's on it. There's a little bit different fiber. Isn't that cute? This is, look at this trim. Look at this one. Kind of eyelash-like trim. Here's some tulle. More of this banner. And then here is some loose material. Here's a thing of pearls that's attached. Some more banner. I think it's pretty much the same material. But there's so much trim and fun stuff here that, that's why I wanted to take it out of the bag. It's not doing it justice being in that bag. While I absolutely love this, I don't see myself doing any journals where I would use this material. I think this looks very Victorian-ish. Some of it does. Some of it looks it's maybe even more shabby chic than anything. While I love it, and that's why I purchased it, I just don't see myself using this anytime soon. Here's some other pretty lace and trim, and it needs to go to a better home than mine. So I will be listing this on the Maker's Market tonight. I hope somebody falls in love with this. It's gorgeous stuff. It really is gorgeous stuff. Yeah. So watch for my posting, and I just want this to go to a good home. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the Maker's Market. Everybody take care, have fun, stay safe, and God bless. Good night.